Hello everyone, in this video we'll discuss around 270 transitional word and linking phrases. Uh, in the previous video we had the shorter version of transitional word and linking phrases. Here we are trying to cover almost all that are possible. So first let's discuss what's transitional words. So transitional words are the single words that connect ideas within or between sentences. Single words. And when there are group of words that makes the meaning together, that is phrase. And to use the connection between the ideas. So these are linking phrases. So first see what are the phrases, linking phrases or transitional words that we use for addition or to add similar ideas. First is and. So here are a lot of linking phrases and transitional words that you already know. So what we are doing is the revision. First is and. When we have to connect two things. She likes reading and enjoys writing. Also, when there is addition to something, bhi, the book is interesting, also it is informative. Moreover, iske alawa, the product is affordable, moreover it is durable. Furthermore, which means साथ ही, as well as the proposal is feasible, furthermore it is innovative, as well as it is innovative. Two, which means B, additionally. He is a skilled musician, he is a talented artist too. Besides means in addition to, इसके अलावा, उसके अलावा, the plan is not feasible, besides is too expensive. Next is as well as. As well as means के साथ साथ, which means together with. C excels in academics as well as in sports. In addition means इसके अतिरिक्त, इसके अलावा, in addition, the team received awards. Not only but also when we have to say यही नहीं वो भी. Not only did he win but he also received recognition. Together with means साथ में. He together with his friends organized the event. Along with also means के साथ. Along with studying he works part time. Coupled with means अगर किसी इंसान के साथ मिल के हो या किसी चीज़ के साथ मिला करके हो तो coupled with his experience his education makes him ideal. Next is equally important. Equally important we must address safety issues. Likewise मतलब इसी तरीके से she enjoys classical music. Likewise her brother likes the same genre. Next is similarly. इसी प्रकार. The first model is compact. Similarly, the new version is portable. In the same way, मतलब इसी तरीके से, the company provides training in the same way it offers workshop for clients. Correspondingly, मतलब समान रूप से, the demand increased. Correspondingly, मतलब साथ ही साथ समान रूप से, the price went up. Additionally, मतलब इसके अलावा अतिरिक्त रूप से. Additionally, the proposal includes a new marketing plan. Over and above, इसका मतलब इसके अतिरिक्त. Over and above her work, she volunteers on weekends. By the same token, which means इसी कारण या इसी तरह. By the same token, the police affects all employees. The policy affects all employees equally. 1 minute. Equally. नेक्स्ट इज इक्वली समान रूप से. ऑल कैंडिडेट शुड बी ट्रीटेड इक्वली. प्लस मतलब साथ ही साथ और ही इज इंटेलिजेंट प्लस हार्ड वर्किंग. अलॉन्ग साइड मतलब के साथ साथ. अलॉन्ग साइड द मेन प्रोजेक्ट सेवरल स्मॉल इनिशिएटिव्स वर लॉन्च्ड. टुगेदर मतलब के साथ साथ दे वर्क टुगेदर टू कंप्लीट द प्रोजेक्ट. इन कंजंक्शन विथ इसका मतलब भी के साथ मिलकर. इन कंजंक्शन विथ लोकल अथॉरिटीज द एनजीओ ऑर्गेनाइज द इवेंट. नेक्स्ट सिमिलरली मतलब एक जैसा, साथ ही साथ एक जैसा. सिमिलर टू लास्ट ईयर दिस ईयर्स फेस्टिवल विल बी ग्रैंड. एज वेल मतलब भी. सी सिंग्स एज वेल एज डांसेस. ऑन द टॉप ऑफ दैट मतलब के अलावा. ऑन द टॉप ऑफ दैट वी नीड टू फिनिश इट टुडे. इन लाइन विथ मतलब के अनुरूप, के अनुसार. इन लाइन विथ कंपनी पॉलिसी ऑल एम्प्लॉयज मस्ट अटेंड ट्रेनिंग. कपल टुगेदर मतलब के साथ मिलकर, कपल टुगेदर दीज फैक्टर्स इम्प्रूव परफॉर्मेंस। ओवर एंड बियॉन्ड मतलब के अतिरिक्त, ओवर एंड बियॉन्ड हिज ड्यूटीज ही हेल्प हिज टीम। टुगेदर विद दिस मतलब के साथ साथ, टुगेदर विद दिस वी विल इम्प्लीमेंट न्यू स्ट्रेटजीज। एज वेल एज दैट मतलब अगेन के साथ साथ, इसके साथ साथ, ही इज टैलेंटेड एज वेल एज दैट वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग। इक्वली सिग्निफिकेंट मतलब समान रूप से महत्वपूर्ण, इक्वली सिग्निफिकेंट द बजट मस्ट बी अप्रूव्ड ऑन टाइम। ओवर आर्किंग मतलब ओवर रीचिंग होना चाहिए, और स्पेल सही कर लेंगे हम। ओवर रीचिंग गोल्स इंक्लूड सेफ्टी एंड efficiency. नेक्स्ट इज व्हेन वी हैव टू सी कॉन्ट्रास्ट, ऑपोजिशन, दो अलग अलग चीज़ें, तो हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? फर्स्ट इज बट, लेकिन शी वॉन्टेड टू गो टू द पार्टी बट शी हैड टू वर्क। हावेवर हालांकि, द एग्जाम वॉज डिफिकल्ट, हालांकि सी मैनेज टू पास। येट फिर भी, द प्लान सीम रिस्की येट इट सक्सीडेड। स्टिल दैट ऑल्सो मीन्स फिर भी, it was raining, still we decided to go hiking. Although means yadapi, although it was late, she continued working. And always remember, although के साथ अगर हम कुछ यूज़ करते हैं correlative conjunction में, तो it is always yet. So either you will write a comma or you will write yet. तो अगर comma नहीं लिखते हैं तो क्या होगा sentence? Although it was late, yet she continued working. Next is even though. Even though means भले ही. Even though it rained, the match continued. Though means halaki, though or although, which both means halaki. Though tired, he finished the report. So though के साथ भी अगर आपको लगाना है तो you will use yet, या तो comma या तो yet. On the other hand, the proposal is ambitious. On the other hand, it may be too risky. Next is in contrast. The new system is efficient. In contrast, the old system was slow. Next is in contrast to मतलब की तुलना में. In contrast to last year's figures, this year's sales have increased. Nevertheless मतलब फिर भी, इसके बावजूद, the weather was unfavorable. Nevertheless, the event was success. Nonetheless, which also means इसके बावजूद, the task was hard. Nonetheless, he completed it. Conversely मतलब इसके विपरीत, conversely, the lack of practice can reduce performance. On the contrary, इसका मतलब ही के विपरीत, on the contrary, the situation improved. Whereas मतलब जबकि, he likes tea, whereas he prefers coffee. While मतलब जबकि, जिस दौरान, while he worked hard, others were lazy. Even so मतलब फिर भी, इसके बावजूद, even so we cannot ignore the issue. Unlike मतलब के विपरीत, unlike her brother, she is very disciplined. In spite of also means के बावजूद. In spite of the heavy rain, the match continued. Despite means also के बावजूद. Despite being sick, she attended the class. Regardless मतलब बिना परवाह किए. Regardless of the outcome, we must try. Next is on the flip side मतलब दूसरी ओर. On the flip side, the plan could fail. Albeit means हालांकि, he tried albeit unsuccessfully. That said मतलब यह कहने के बाद भी, that said we need to be cautious. Except that मतलब सिवाय इसके कि, everything was fine except that it was too expensive. In any case मतलब किसी भी स्थिति में, in any case we must follow the rules. Even though that मतलब भले ही यह, even though that was true, it did not help. Be that as it may, as it may, we need to act. Otherwise, अन्यथा, we must hurry, otherwise we will miss the train. Rather means बल्कि के बजाय, rather than complain, she tried to solve it. On the other side, दूसरी ओर, on the other side, the advantages are clear. Next is in contrast with. In contrast with means के विपरीत. In contrast with his colleagues, he works quietly. Yet still मतलब फिर भी he was tired yet still he worked. Conversely speaking मतलब इसके विपरीत कहे तो conversely speaking it may be beneficial. Opposing this मतलब इसके विपरीत opposing this some experts suggest a different plan. Next we the transitional word and phrases that we use to show cause and effect, reason and result. इसके लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं because she was late because she missed the bus. Since that is क्योंकि since it was raining the match was postponed. As मतलब जैसा कि as he was tired he went to bed early. One thing you remember that if sentence start with because, since and as, you don't repeat the conjunction or any connector. Like if you say since it was raining so the match postponed, sentence would be incorrect. तो अगर इससे अगर सेंटेंस स्टार्ट होता है तो फिर कोई दूसरा हम कंजंक्शन को यूज़ नहीं करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज ड्यू टू. ड्यू टू मीन्स के कारण. द मैच वॉज कैंसल्ड ड्यू टू हैवी रेन. Owing to also means के कारण the flight was delayed owing to technical issues. As a result मतलब परिणाम स्वरूप he did not study, as a result he failed in the exam. Consequently also means परिणाम स्वरूप the company faced losses. Consequently layoffs were implemented. Therefore इसलिए this he studied hard, therefore he passed the exam. Thus means इस प्रकार the product was defective, thus we had to recall it. Hence मतलब इसलिए इसी कारण. She missed the train, hence she was late. For this reason मतलब के कारण for this reason the proposal was rejected. Next is accordingly. Accordingly मतलब अनुसार तदनुसार. The rules were changed. Accordingly everyone adapted. For that reason मतलब उस कारण से he was absent. For that reason he missed the lecture. As a consequence मतलब परिणाम स्वरूप, as a consequence of his negligence the plan failed. On account of मतलब के कारण the game was cancelled on account of bad weather. Due to the fact that it was raining the event was delayed, resulting in मतलब again means के परिणाम स्वरूप he ignored the warning resulting in an accident. In view of मतलब के ध्यान रखते हुए, in view of circumstances the decision was postponed. Because of also means के कारण the match was postponed because of heavy rain. Next is seeing that मतलब देखते हुए कि. Seeing that the roads were blocked we stayed home. In consequence मतलब के परिणाम स्वरूप, in consequence the company constructed its department. Thanks to मतलब धन्यवाद करते हुए, thanks to her effort the project succeeded. Given that मतलब मान लेते हैं कि देखते हुए कि, given that he is experienced he should lead the team. For fear that मतलब इस डर से, he left early for fear that he would miss the train. Under the circumstances मतलब इन परिस्थितियों के अंदर में, under the circumstances it was the best decision. Due to the circumstances same परिस्थितियों के कारण, due to the circumstances beyond control the meeting was cancelled. Resultantly also means के परिणाम स्वरूप, he did not submit the report, resultantly the project was delayed. On the grounds that which means के आधार पर, कारण से, the case was dismissed on the ground that evidence was insufficient. As a byproduct मतलब किसी चीज़ के साथ साथ जो मिले. As a byproduct of research they discovered a new technique. As an outcome मतलब परिणाम स्वरूप, as an outcome of the discussion new policy were drafted. In effect मतलब परिणाम स्वरूप, in effect the plan changed the organization's structure. For the reason that he was promoted, for the reason that he worked hard. Because of this he missed the bus, because of this he was late. Leads to means जिसके कारण कुछ हो. So here the example is poor diet leads to health problems. Gives rise to मतलब का कारण बनता है, the decision gives rise to further debates. Now there are conjunction that we use for comparison or showing similarity. So the first word is similarly. इसी प्रकार the first model is compact, similarly the new version is portable. Likewise मतलब इस तरीके से she enjoys classical music, likewise her brother likes same genre. In the same way मतलब इसी प्रकार से the company provides training in the same way it offers workshop for clients. Just as जैसे कि just as the city grew rapidly the suburb experienced similar growth. In the same way मतलब इसी तरीके से the first strategy was successful, in the same way the second approach should work. Equally मतलब समान रूप से all students should be treated equally. In the like manner means वैसे ही इसी प्रकार in the like manner the new policy should be implemented. Correspondingly also means समान रूप से the demand increased, correspondingly the price went up. In the similar fashion which means उसी प्रकार से he approached the risk in the similar fashion. Much the same मतलब बहुत हद तक एक जैसा. Much the same happened last year. In parallel मतलब समांतर साथ साथ in parallel we developed another strategy. Next is along similar lines मतलब उसी तरीके से the project was planned along similar lines as the previous one. Resembling मतलब एक जैसा. Resembling last year the sales grew steadily. Comparable to his performance is comparable to the top scorer. Analogous to also means समान रूप से his situation is analogous to hers. Just like her brother he is very talented. In like fashion the next phase will be implemented. Equally important safety measures must be followed. Much alike their reaction was much alike. As well as she is skilled as well as dedicated. In equal measures which means समान रूप से he contributed in equal measures to the success. Similarly to last year this year's festival will be grand. By the same token all employees must follow the rules. Along the same line मतलब उसी तरीके से along the same lines we need to revise the strategy. In the same breath he praised the team and criticized the process in the same breath. Next is when we have to see time sequence. So in time sequence we use first, second, third. First we need to gather the idea. Second we need to analyze the collected information. Third we draft a report. Then we will analyze the result. Then we'll draft the report. Next we will discuss the finding. Afterwards the presentation was finished. Afterwards we had a discussion. Later बाद में we went to shopping. Later we had lunch. Meanwhile इसी दौरान I was preparing dinner. Meanwhile he sat at the table. Subsequently मतलब उसके बाद में subsequently the team revised the strategy. Previously मतलब पहले previously this method was widely used. Earlier this method was widely used. We had a discussion on the same topic. Eventually मतलब आखिरकार अंततः eventually they reached an agreement. Finally मतलब अंत में finally the project was completed. At last मतलब आखिरकार at last the long awaited result arrived. तुरंत ही immediately after the meeting she sent an email. Before पहले, after बाद में complete your homework before you go out. After the event we celebrated. Earlier we had made a similar plan. Simultaneously मतलब साथ ही साथ the two process occurred simultaneously. Next we have from then on मतलब उसके बाद, उस समय के बाद. From then on he started practicing daily. At the same time we need to consider safety measures. Subsequent to मतलब उसके बाद in subsequent to the training employees applied the skills. Up to now मतलब अब तक, up to now the project has been successful. Earlier than expected उम्मीद से पहले the result arrived earlier than expected. In the meantime मतलब इसी बीच in the meantime I prepared the documents. Now if you have to illustrate something, give the clarification, example, तो क्या क्या लिखते हैं? For example तो आप लिखते आ रहे हैं. For example उदाहरण के लिए many fruits are rich in vitamin. For example oranges are high in vitamin C. For instance example के लिए many countries face water scarcity. For instance India has regions affected severely. To illustrate उदाहरण के लिए to illustrate consider the benefit of regular exercise. Namely मतलब अर्थात two cities were affected, namely Delhi and Mumbai. Such as जैसा कि fruits such as apple, bananas, mangoes are healthy. इंक्लूडिंग शामिल करते हुए द पैकेज इंक्लूड्स मील्स ड्रिंक्स एंड स्नैक्स. Particularly विशेष रूप से दिस पॉलिसी इज particularly beneficial for students. Specifically the new rule target waste reduction. Next is to demonstrate. दिखाने के लिए. To demonstrate we conducted an experiment. As an illustration, उदाहरण के लिए, as an illustration the diagram shows energy flow. In other words, मतलब दूसरे शब्दों में, the test was inconclusive. In other words, more research is needed. That is to say, मतलब अर्थात इसका मतलब, he is polymath. That is to say, skilled in many fields. In particular, मतलब विशेष रूप से, in particular, the marketing strategy was effective. To put it another way, मतलब दूसरे शब्दों में, in put it another way, saving leads to financial security. As an example, we analyze the student feedback, including but not limited to. मत सहित लेकिन सीमित नहीं है. The tasks include but are not limited to reporting and research. Chiefly मतलब मुख्य रूप से, the discussion was chiefly about environmental concerns. Illustratively मतलब जब आप illustrate करते हैं, demonstrate करते हैं, illustratively the chart explains population growth. Next, in the form of मतलब के रूप में, the ideas were presented in form of charts. Among others, इसके अलावा, दूसरों के अलावा, इनके बीच, the project benefited students, teachers among others. As shown by मतलब के द्वारा दिखाया गया, as shown by statistics, sales increased. As evidenced by the experiment, the theory is valid. By the way of example, we studied the case history. Particularly noteworthy मतलब विशेष रूप से उल्लेखनीय या विशेष रूप से जिसके बारे में बात की गई हो. Particularly noteworthy is the improvement in attendance. Notably मतलब विशेष रूप से, notably this method saves time and resource. Now we have to emphasize something, tell the importance of something. So we use indeed. He is indeed the best candidate for the job. Certainly, निश्चित रूप से. This evidence is certainly convincing. Undoubtedly, she is undoubtedly the most qualified applicant. Above all, सबसे ऊपर, above all, we must ensure the safety of our employees. In fact, her performance exceeded expectation. Without a doubt, this is the best solution available. Most importantly, keep the deadlines in mind. Emphatically, स्पष्ट रूप से, जोर देके, he emphatically rejected the proposal. Significantly, the changes significantly improved performance. Above all else मतलब सबके ऊपर, above all else, honesty is essential. Chiefly, the discussion was chiefly about the budget allegations. Primarily, the course is primarily designed for beginners. Mainly, मुख्य रूप से, the project focuses mainly on renewable energy. Particularly, विशेष रूप से, particularly the younger student benefited from the program. Notably, विशेष रूप से, notably attendance improved after the initiative. Spatially, विशेष रूप से, especially during exam, student need guidance. Indeed it is, वास्तव में ऐसा है. Indeed it is a challenging task. Emphasizing मतलब जोर देते हुए, emphasizing safety, we updated the protocols. Overwhelmingly मतलब अत्यधिक रूप से, overwhelmingly student supported the new policy. Above everything मतलब सबसे ऊपर, सबसे महत्वपूर्ण, above everything, teamwork matters. Without question मतलब निसंदेह, without question, this is valuable resource. Clearly the result indicate progress. In particular, विशेष रूप से, the strategy moved efficiently. Explicitly, स्पष्ट रूप से, the rules were explicitly stated. Decisively, he acted decisively to save the problem. Now, when you have to show the result, conclusion or summary, तो आप कौन से word use करेंगे? आप use करते हैं in conclusion. In conclusion, the research supports our hypothesis. To sum up, the project achieved its objective. In short, teamwork led to success. Overall performance was excellent. All in all, सब मिलाकर, all in all, the program was successful. In brief, संक्षेप में, the plan was effective. To conclude, निष्कर्ष निकालते हुए, to conclude, the policy was beneficial. thus इस प्रकार the team worked hard, thus they succeeded. Therefore इसलिए they trained diligently, therefore they passed the exam. Hence इस प्रकार the roads were blocked, hence we are late. As a result, मतलब परिणाम स्वरूप, as a result the project was delayed. Consequently मतलब भी परिणाम स्वरूप he ignored instruction, consequently mistakes occurred. Accordingly मतलब भी के अनुसार the plan changed, accordingly the team adapted. Eventually मतलब अंततः the effort paid off. Finally मतलब भी अंततः finally the decision was implemented. Ultimately मतलब भी अंततः ultimately the goal was achieved. To summarize मतलब सारांश में, in short, to summarize the improvements were noted. In essence मतलब भी सारांश में, in essence the project was achieved its goal. All things considered, सब बातों पर विचार करते हुए, all things considered it was a success. In effect मतलब वास्तव में, in effect the new policy improved efficiency. In nutshell, संक्षेप में, in nutshell the program is effective. Summing up मतलब सारांश निकालते हुए, summing up the teamwork ensured success. In final analysis, अंतिम विश्लेषण में, in final analysis the strategy was effective. On the whole, कुल मिलाकर on the whole the student performed well. To recap, दोहराते हुए, the deadline were met successfully. Next is condition or hypothesis. So condition is if it rains, the match will be cancelled. Unless we cannot proceed unless approve is granted. Provided that basarte ki you can attend, provided that you complete the form. As long as jab tak ki you can borrow it, as long as you return it. In case yadi, take an umbrella in case it rains. On condition that you can join, on condition that you follow the rules. Assuming that, मान लेते हैं कि assuming that he agrees, we can start the project. Supposing that it fails, we have a backup plan. Even if भले ही even if it rains, the event will continue. Only if, केवल तभी you can leave, only if the task is complete. In the event that, इस स्थिति में, in the event that the system fails, call support. Given that, मान लेते हैं कि given that he is experienced, he should lead. As though, जैसा कि मान लेते हैं कि he speaks as though he knows everything. In so far as, जहाँ तक की बात है, in so far as the rules permit, you may proceed. On the assumption that, यह धारणा है कि, ये मानने का है कि, on the assumption that the results are accurate, we can proceed. Now we just go for some miscellaneous ones. Meanwhile, के दौरान, meanwhile the preparation continued. Otherwise, hurry up, otherwise you'll miss the bus. Besides, मतलब के अलावा, besides, we should review the plan. By the way, जैसे कि, by the way, वैसे, did you complete your assignment? As a matter of fact, सच पूछे तो I already knew. Incidentally, उल्लेखनीय रूप से वैसे, incidentally she won the prize. At the same time, साथ ही साथ, at the same time we must focus on safety. In any case, किसी भी स्थिति में we must complete the task. That is, मतलब अर्थात, he is polymath, that is skilled in many fields. In other respects, अन्य मामलों में, in other respects, the plan was perfect. As it were, जैसा ऐसा मान लो, he is as it were the guiding force. For the most part, अधिकांश रूप से, for the most part, student agreed. In effect, वास्तव में, परिणामतः, in effect, the law changed behavior. At length, अंततः, he explained the plan at length. In brief, the method works. By all means, take advantage of the opportunity. As far as, जहाँ तक की बात है, as far as I know, the report is complete. In general, सामान्य रूप से, in general, students performed well. In particular, विशेष रूप से, in particular, attendance improved. As a rule, नियम के अनुसार, as a rule, employee must submit reports on time. On the contrary, the situation improved. As such, the plan as such is feasible. For the time being, मतलब फिलहाल, for the time being, continue with the current strategy. All the time, हर समय, all the time, all the same, फिर भी, all the same, we must follow the guidelines. By the same token, मतलब इसी तरीके से, by the same token, every employee must comply. So these are 270 transitional word and linking phrases. This is the extended notes. With these in your hand, you will never have problem in connecting the sentences, making this a paragraph, making your speech coherent. Have a nice time. Thank you.